In today's lecture, we are going to start with chapter number 8, multiplication from the book Maths Primer. So kids, as you can see in the picture, there are given mobile phones. Here are mobile phones and here also mobile phones. So, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mobile phones are there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 mobile phones are there. And we are doing what? This is called plus or addition. We are doing addition here. So, we will get what? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will get 10 mobile phones. Is this much clear? We have already understood about plus or addition in the previous classes. So, we'll look at now new concept. Okay. Now, what does it saying? When there are two groups of 5 mobiles each, we have 10 mobiles in total. So, there are two groups of 5 mobiles each. The group has equal numbers of each object, right? And in total, in the answer, we get 10 mobiles in total. So, we write it as 5. What this sign means? Multiply 2 equals to 10. Then, this is called multiplication. This is called what? Multiplication. We read it as, how do we read this? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. This is how we read this. Cross or multiply sign is used for multiplication. We use this sign to denote multiplication. And this sign is called equal to. Sign means equal to. Is this much clear? Now, what is written here? So, 5 multiply 2. This shows the, means this part, 2. This shows the number of times the group is occurring. So, I have already told you about the groups. We have already seen two groups of mobile phones, 5 each, right? So, this part of this says the number of times the group occurs. It can be 2 times, it can be 3 times, more than that also. Clear? Then, what this part suggests? This shows the number of objects in each group. So, this part shows the number of objects. The group contains how many objects? This part says the number of objects in each group. Is this much clear? Now, we will look at some more examples to understand the concept more clearly. So, as you can see, these are the picture of chocolates. You can see 2, 3 groups here. So, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. So, there are 3 chocolates in each group. So, first we will write 3 as the object suggests. Then, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So, again 3. So, what we will say? What gives it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It gives 9. So, how do we read this? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. This is how we read this. Then, next example. These are the pictures of apples. Then, how many apples are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, there are how many groups? 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 is written here. And each group contains how many objects or how many things? 2. So, 2 4s are 8. Done. As you can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the answer is 8 here. So, kids, the next concept is multiplication tables. So, the first table is of 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Is this much clear? Then we move ahead to 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Now, the table of 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Now the table of 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So kids, you need to learn these tables from 2 to 5. These are very important to learn for the concept of multiplication. So kids, we will move ahead with some questions. Learn with fun. Multiply the following numbers. So kids, we need to remember the tables from the above and we need to do these questions. Multiply the following numbers. Okay. So, 1 is given here. 2 fives are 10. First you will learn the tables, then you will be able to do these questions. So, it is very important to learn those tables from 2 to 5. Okay kids? Now, 3 nines are 27. 4 threes are 12. 5 fours are 20. 4 fours are 16. 4 eights are 32. 3 sevens are 21. 4 tens are 40. 2 eights are 16. 5 fives are 25. 2 threes are 6. 4 twos are 8. Now we need to multiply vertically. These are the question of multiplication based on horizontal manner and these are the vertical manner. Okay. So 5 twos are 10. 2 fours are 8. 7 fives are or 5 sevens are. This is equal. We have learned the tables till 5. So, we'll answer 5 sevens are or 7 fives are is the same thing. So, what is the answer here? 35. Now, 7 threes are. We haven't learned 7's table. So, 3 sevens are is the same thing. 3 sevens are 21. So kids, as you can see in this picture, there are pens given. So, it is written already 3 pens, 3 pens, 3 pens, and in total you can count also there are 9 pens. And what is written here? It says that first 3 says that each group has 3 objects. So what is written here? 3. Clear? And how many groups are there? That is written here in this part. So 3 threes are 9. And there is written 3 threes are 9. Is this much clear? So we will solve remaining question based on this only. So kids, in the next part, as you can see in the picture, the cold drink bottles are given. And it is written here also 2 bottles, 2 bottles, 2 bottles, 2 bottles. We need to write here the total number of bottles. We will count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In total, there are 8 bottles. So we will write here 8. Now, what we will write here? 2 twos are 4. So, what is asking? 2 twos are 4. What the answer is? The answer is 8. Then 4 twos are 8. So kids, in the next part, as you can see, these are the pictures of pizzas, right? So, there is 5 pizzas written already. There is 5 pizzas, there is 5 pizzas. Then we are doing a addition here. Then we'll count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, we are getting in total 15. So, we'll write here a 15. Then, what is asked in the question? 5 into 3 or 5 threes are 15. So, we will write here 15. So, what it suggests? What it says? 5 says that in each group there are 5 objects and 3 says there are 3 groups, as you can see 1, 2, 3. So, 5 threes are 15, 3 fives are also 15. Now, the next question is, apples are given here. As you can see, in the first one 6, in the second one 6 and in the third one 6. And they are saying we have to add it. And we are also given total also. So, we'll count. Still we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In total, there are 18 apples. That is correctly written here. Right. So, what we will write here? 6 threes are. 6 threes are. Or 3 sixes are. Is the same thing. So, what is the answer? 18. 18 is the answer. Or 3 6 are 18. So, what does this 6 say? That each group has 6 objects. And what does this 3 says? That there are 3 groups. So, 6 threes are 18. Now, as you can see in the pictures, these are the pictures of books. So, there are 8 books. Then there is also 8 books already written here. We need to count this. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, there are total 16 books. We'll write here 16. 2 8s are are 16. So what we'll write here? 16. Then 8 twos are, or we can say that 2 8s are 16 is the same thing. What does this 8 say? That each group has 8 objects. And what does this 2 says? That how many groups are there? 2 groups are there. So we multiply with each other. 2 8s are, or 8 2s are 60. Is this clear? So kids, our next concept is word problems on multiplication. So as you can see, the first one is already solved, given in the book. There are 3 wheels in an auto rickshaw. So kids, as you see in the auto rickshaws, everyone seen the auto rickshaws. So it has how many wheels? 3 wheels. So how many wheels are there in 4 auto rickshaw? So the question is asking how many wheels are there in 4 auto rickshaws. So 3 wheels are there in 1 rickshaw. So the question is asking about the 4 auto rickshaw. So we'll multiply it by 4. So what we will get? 3 4s are 12. So that's how we solve these types of questions. So now we will do the remaining ones. There are 6 flowers in a vase. As you can see in the picture, there are 6 flowers in a vase. How many flowers are there in 2 vases? So they are asking about 2 vases. In 1 vase, there are only 6 flowers. So what we will write? 6 first. Then they are asking about 2. So we'll write here 2 and multiply it together. We'll put a multiply sign here. Then 6 2s are, or 2 6s are is the same thing. So 2 6s are 12. So the answer is 12. Now the next question. There are 8 trees in a garden. 2 birds are sitting on each tree. So they are saying there are 8 trees in a garden and 2 birds, as you can see in the picture, in a tree. On 1 tree there are only 2 birds sitting. So they are asking how many birds are there on the tree. So how many birds are there? So we'll write first here about the tree, that is 8 trees in a garden. Then how many birds are sitting? Written here 2 birds. So what we will write? 2. Then we'll multiply this with each other. Now 8 2s are, or 2 8s are is the same thing. So 2 8s are 16. 16 is the correct answer. Now the next question. There are 6 wheels in a bus. There are 6 wheels in a bus. Is this much clear? How many wheels are there in 3 buses? So they are asking for 3 buses. So first we will write the wheels in a bus. So there are 6 wheels. So what we will write? A 6. Then they are asking for how many buses? 3. So what we will write? 3. Then we will multiply it with each other. So we'll put a multiply sign here. Then 3 6s or 6 3s is the same thing. So the answer is 18. Clear? The last one. There were 3 children. Each child ate 9 toffees. So the question is saying there were 3 children and each child ate 9 toffees. So we'll write here about first 3 children. So 3 children. Each child eat 9 toffees. So what we will write here? 9 here. Then how many toffees did they eat? So how many toffees did they eat? We'll multiply here. Then 9 3s or 3 9s is the same thing. So what we will do? We will multiply with each other. 3 9s or 9 3s is the same thing. So that is 27. I hope kids you understand these concepts and enjoy the learning.